guys, this is Nick, and in today's video we're going to be doing a restoration on some beat the shit Marvin the Martian 7s. So the supplies you will be needing for this restoration will be some flat black Angelus paint, pack of paintbrushes, your Rejuvenator Advanced Sneaker Solution, your 3 cleaning brushes, some cotton balls, some acetone, your sneaker laundry bags, and optional would be a heat gun. The first thing we're going to want to do is get some water in our dish and put some Rejuvenator in there. Since the shoe features an all leather upper, we'll be using the all-purpose brush. Now that we've given both shoes a general cleaning and they're looking a lot cleaner, it's time to throw them in the laundry bag and hopefully get them even more clean and help get some of that stench out. Alright guys, so for this next step, we're going to want to take our shoes in the bag, throw the laces in there also, throw them in the wash, go ahead and close that door. Alright, now we're going to want to go ahead and add our detergent, and then just go ahead and start the wash. Alright guys, so now that we've taken the shoes out of the wash and given them plenty of time to dry off, the next step we're going to be doing is stuffing the toe boxes of the shoes with some socks and then trying to get some of the creases out. Alright guys, so we didn't get out all of the creases, which is expected, but they did get better, and the ones I was focusing on mainly were the ones on the toe cap. Now we're going to move on to painting some spots on the mountain caps and up along the uppers. Alright, now that I've done a couple coats on the uppers and I repainted the mountain caps, here's how it's looking. And I have everything taped up because we are about to go spray it with the matte finish. Let's go.